Okay, we're going to construct a line parallel to AB through P. And we do this by constructing congruent special angles. In this construction, I'm going to use congruent alternate interior angles. The first thing I do is create a transversal. This is my transversal that I'll call T. I'm going to copy this angle that I'm calling number 1. I'm going to copy it over here. Once I create that new angle, the side of the angle that makes angle 2 congruent to angle 1 is going to give me a point to connect P to, and that will give me a line parallel to AB. So basically I'm copying this angle. The first thing I do when I copy an angle is create a measuring arc. I'm going to measure how big this angle 1 is on this arc by measuring this opening. I'm going to need the same measuring arc over here with P as the vertex if I'm going to copy the angle. So now I have congruent measuring arcs with the same radius. I'm going to measure the opening of angle 1. Notice I leave a little evidence arc showing that I measured the opening. Now I want to reproduce this distance over here with P as the vertex. Whatever point I connect P to, that opening has to be congruent to this one. So I'll use the measure that I just created on the measuring arc centered at P. Now I have a new point to connect P to. And when I draw this line, I have angle 2 congruent to angle 1, and congruent alternate interior angles tells me that the two lines are parallel.